What up, bitches?
We're here at... Okay, so mo na, ito. So we're gonna here, ano ba? We're here to eat foods.
Para lumamon at magpatawa.
Yeah! So kami na. Wala kaming bag, but I brought the most important thing, okay? It's deodorant, B!
Okay.
Makakaway tayo mamaya, so like... And I brought my... Ano ba to? Lip liner. Is it Kylene? It's Kylene! Sabi ka. Guys, we're here. This is a case of ano, siya. And we don't... But she's free. Say hi!
Kain tayo, guys. We're here in Taste of Manila.
Guys, may TJ sila.
May TJ? Dapat ang daming mga live dito. When, Carlos? When? Oh? Layo pa.
Ang mahal.
Butang mahal.
Nakakaputang ina!
Hi guys! Hi! Say hi to my vlog. Let me throw you around. Ano ba itong pinipila? Oh, let me matcha there. My advice, guys, they should play some yung mga my prices. We should play some game.
Meanwhile.
May nagdiwa, palarong pambansa tayo ay magkaisa. Para sa tagumpay pangarap ng bawat isa. Mula sa hirap at pagsubok natin.
Uy naman to! Guys, there's more. Utang daming tao. Is it madaming tao?
Yan may pusaw.
Oh my God! Guys, may skyflake. Guys, may tropang Ilonggo. Basta Ilongga. Say guwapa.
Guwapa.
Kahit wala na yung lipstick ko. Mag-retouch tayo while walking, you know. Oh, it's so good. What are you getting?
Siomai. Isaw. Yeah.
Me, siomai, and we're gonna share our food. Guys, we're gonna eat now.
Oh, saba?
Yeah.
Para salad? Only you. What about
You have.
Okay. Oh my God, may sisi oh.
Pakain mo kay Anthony.
Anthony, this will cure your peanut butter allergy.
Wanna say?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Some professional help. You need professional help.
Go, you wanna try? Go try it. I'm good. Try it. You good?
The line.
Girl, the line is just good. Oh my gosh, look at the line. Just good. There's Visayas. Sabi yung Mindanao, kaya?
Oh, may Visayas lane.
Where's the Mindanao? Guys, may tubo. I like the pink one. Songka. Guys, I have classical tea. There's drink there. Oh my gosh, let's do this. Can I have strawberry, please? It's good. It tastes like strawberry lemon. Right? It's good.
Don't want it? Maasim siya.
Oh no, pang-asim lang yan. Uy, ibalik pa yan.
Ha?
Ibalik pa yan?
Oo.
Ang susunod na programa ay Rated Filipino. Ito ay nagtuturo ng wikang Filipino para mabigyan tayo ng kaalaman sa wikang Filipino.
Tangina!
Hindi. Na, oh, Yolanda would love this.
Hi, Jollibee.
Ang cute. Paano sa palengke ka lang? Kaya mo yan.
Information! The raffle is gonna happen at
Guys, you guys wanna win a laptop or a
do is write your name.
Is that free? Yeah.
Girls, just wanna have
So, you save, right? Pag isa lang, $10.
Pag dalawa, $20.
$20? Good promo! Si Andrew yan?
Sabi ko sa'yo!
Bombastic side eye.
Si!
Para namang ano?
A few moments later.
Pilipino talaga! Okay, lahat na ako! Okay! Lahat na dito yan!
Si Ai. Oh my God.
Wala si Andrew eh.
Mga pangarap sa nagagaling.
Arui.
If you know the song, guys, please shut up. Come on. 3,646.
She's a new gen blind actress who started in the industry as
Let's go!
undeniably captivating on screen.
So we're here sa Barrio Pampangan.
Paldo sila guys, dami tao. Sino ba to? Mukhang gago.
Gonna get halo over there. Over there. Nandun na kita mo. $10 lang daw. $10 is how much? 250 pesos. Hindi kami nakabili.
It was very nice.
Cash only kasi.
Yeah. $10 yung halo-halo. Good price na yun, guys.
Guys, we're going home.
We're going home na.
Para siyang feeling pogi, no?
Uy, pogi naman.
Ay, nako. Ang taas ng araw.
Basher sila guys, basher. Oh, disali pa.
tayo, baka maiyak pa.
Gusto nyo pa nga eh.
Ayoko na. Puta, meron. Wala, may puso. Sino nga? Ay, sorry.
That's a $65 ticket.
What the heck?
Hi guys, so we're done. Finally going home. It was fun. I mean, bet si Ruru. Kailan is so pretty, oh.
This is how much I spent.
Yay!
Again, this is how much Precious spent.
May ano pa ako, guys? $4.
$4.40.
Yes. Guys, we're in 7-Eleven. This is the 7-Eleven here po. I'll show you.
Big dog.
I have pizza here. Frozen pizza. Tapos we have Slurpees.
79 cents yan.
Pili ka, girly. Pili ka lang dyan. I wanna drink this.
I want to mix pie.
Ang cute niya. Magkano ba ice cream?
Good thing ginagamit namin sa work.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Guys, the secret, okay, McDonald's is using that whipped cream. Say hi! Yeah, girl, yeah, masarap Coke. I'm craving Coke for this. Ito lang kunin ko, guys. Ano? Ano ba yan?
Guys, bye. Thank you. Bye, bye, bye.
Thanks for watching our
Bye,
vlog.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Yes. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.